In 5 days, the sea will give you back to yourself. Welcome to the Silva Coastal Retreat. So why this is going to be the best investment for you and your family? Let's understand and let us explain this by comparing the 5 days Silva retreat journey with the sea.
The moment you first step on the sand, that's your arrival. The noises around the world will cut off immediately. We will bond together as a group. We will bond together to do the relaxation, and we will bond together to slow down. And believe me that the relaxation and the mental peace that you will get from the beginning of the day one is immense. We will start our journey in the day one with the classical Jose Silva's long relaxation meditation, and that will be the first test of alpha level that you will get here. When the sea pulls back, it shows you what's been hidden underneath it. In day 2, we will be doing exactly the same thing. We will cleanse everything that you have been carrying silently for years.
I came here with a lot of fears, and to be frank, I lost hope in each and everything. I've tried a few methods, but I've lost hope. But I told myself I'll try this and then I'll see. This is actually, as I said, like my psychiatrist has recommended me a solo trip. So I just came to try. But then I thank you people because I'm, now I have found my purpose and there's a lot of clarity and I've healed a lot.
We will do breathing exercises. We will do the yoga. We will do the sleep meditation. We will be doing the alarm clock technique. And by doing the sleep and the alarm clock technique, you will be having a better control over your time. You will have a command over the time. We will also be doing the mental house cleaning. We will do the 5-step formula exercises by which you will be able to handle stress, anger in a much better way. And these techniques will also help you to manage your low confidence. We will also be doing the 7 chakra meditation. And I promise you, by the end of day 2, you will have a much better sleep than you have been sleeping for many years.
Actually, I have a problem of sleeping issues. I took sometimes sleeping tablets also, Restil I used to take. When I practiced that sleep control online session, that day I slept at 9:30 in the night. I woke up at 6:30. First time in my those many years, that sleep control worked like a magic. That sleep control worked like a magic. Amazing, amazing experience.
The waves are rising, and so are you. This is the day where you stop being controlled by your own mind and you start commanding it. The 3 fingers technique, the 3 scenes technique, the mirror of the mind, our signature manifestation practice. And we do not stop there. We learn glove anesthesia, through which you can reduce the pain from your body and you will start feeling the true power of your own mind for the first time in your life.
So I've had an ACL tear in both my knees. I've lost my meniscus because of high octane sports and playing a lot of football. And the 2 bones have cartilages in the middle. So my cartilage has chipped off to the point where my bones are almost near each other. And if they hit each other, it's going to be very painful. But we did the glove, levitation technique. In 2 days, I literally just touch my knees and I am walking pain-free. And
And this is day 4, where you will learn how to get out of your body, an out-of-body experience through fantastic voyage. Also, you will learn about mental laboratory and your counselors, through which you will be able to solve any problem, any healing, and you can achieve any goals that you like. And by the end of this day, you will learn that your intuition is not a magic, it's not random, it's a skill that you have trained yourself and you have it.
This is where the sea meets the sky. The journey ends here, but a new journey begins. In this day, we will learn the purpose of our life by connecting with the source energy.
Frankly speaking, I never thought that I should have a chamber of my own, people coming to me. It never came to my mind. I used to teach, and this is the first time. Thank you so much that I'm thinking that yes, I should create something of my own. I will not work under anybody.
Yeah, now today we got a clarity. We can be able to imagine in our mind. We can build our room such a nice way, and we can feel it. That's really amazing.
We will scan, we will project our mind on a human body, we will detect abnormalities, and we will send healing energy so that finally we will learn to heal ourselves, to heal our loved ones, your kids, your parents, your partners, and the whole humanity. We will do case working in pairs so that you will finally learn how beautifully we are storing the intuitive capabilities of ours. And we will close this with the graduation ceremony. You will be a certified Silva graduate from Silva International. This is why this is going to be the best investment for you and your family. Because when you will heal, when you will grow, when you will become the whole, your loved ones, your family will feel the shift in energy and they will thank you for the years to come. The ocean is waiting for you. See you in the retreat.